less than sep data end equals 486 data start equals 75 greater than. It was an emotional day in court, as 93-year-old journalist, author and producer Guy Fournier took the stand to defend his longtime friend Gilbert Rozon, amidst a highly publicized civil trial involving serious allegations of sexual misconduct. In a time where public figures are often quick to distance themselves from controversy, Fournier's appearance at the Montreal courthouse was both striking and telling. Less than p data end equals 953 data start equals 488. Greater than Fournier didn't just share a working relationship with Rozon. He described a decades-long friendship forged through their collaboration on the Just for Laughs festival, dating back to its inception in 1982. Over the years, Fournier directed several galas and worked closely with Rozon's family. "It saddened and surprised me," he said in court, referencing the allegations. "I developed a friendship with Gilbert and his family. A friendship I have never renounced." Less than p data end equals 1571. Data start equals 955 greater than. He spoke candidly about Rozon's character, recalling him as a generous, trusting, and even affable boss, though not without his stern moments. "He trusted me completely," Fournier noted, adding that Rozon was not afraid to voice criticism when needed, but always remained fair. This testimony stood in contrast to a 2017 column Fournier had written, in which he described a shifting comedic landscape and alluded to the indignity of the Just for Laughs founder. When pressed by the plaintiff's attorney, Meta Jessica Lelievre, he explained his words were more a comment on changing times than a personal condemnation. Less than press data end equals 1973. Data start equals 1573. Greater than. The court session grew more intense when Fournier was confronted with past admissions from his biography, which included instances of inappropriate behavior, such as kissing a secretary on the neck and touching a makeup artist inappropriately. While he acknowledged the truth of those incidents, he emphasized that the cultural context had shifted and distanced himself from the chapter's authorship. Less than p data end equals 2200 data start equals 1975 greater than still. Fournier remained firm on one point. He had never witnessed nor been told of any misconduct by Rozon, neither by the standards of the time, nor by those of today. "No inappropriate behavior," he repeated unequivocally. Less than p data end equals 2563 data start equals 2202 greater than. Less than p data end equals 2935 data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 2565 greater than. In an era where silence is often safer, Guy Fournier's courtroom appearance stood out, not because he denied the gravity of the accusations, but because he chose to speak for the man he knew, flaws and all. Whether his words will sway the legal outcome remains to be seen, but his loyalty and candor left a mark on a very complicated chapter in the saga of Gilbert Rozon. Stay subscribed for more videos.